Today, I will explain my understanding of the CWT store. CWT is our Civics Welfare Training Service. It's part of the NSTP or National Service Training Program. The main purpose of the NSTP is to help students become responsible citizens. It focuses on developing good values like being patriotic, disciplined, respectful, and concerned about the environment. It also prepares students to serve the community with respond to national needs. The vision of the NSTP office is to become a leading group that promotes civic awareness and preparedness. This means they want students to be aware of their duties as citizens and be ready in times of emergencies. The mission of on the other hand, is to train students to become well-rounded individuals who are active in community service and nation building. One thing I learned in the suitability is not just about attending classes. It is more on applying what we learn in real life. The program encourages students to participate in activities that improve the community. These activities may focus on health, education, environment, and safety, and other social services. Through this, students can experience helping others while also developing their own skills. The objectives of NSTP includes developing civic consciousness and patriotism. It also aims to prepare students for emergencies and national defense. Another important goal is to help students gain skills like teamwork, leadership, and critical thinking, which are useful not only in school but also in real life. For CWTs especially, students are accepted to work on community-based projects. This project must be approved by the school before implementation. Students should follow the plan, timeline, and assign tasks properly. This teaches us responsibility planning and cooperation with others. The program also expects certain outcomes from students. After completing CWTs, students should be more active in community service and more aware of social issues. They should also be able to work with others and contribute to solving problems in society. Most important, students should develop a sense of responsibility and love for their country. The grading system in CBT is also important. Even though the grade is not included in the GWA, student must complete all requirements to graduate. Attendance is very strict. If a student has 3 unexcused absences, also, if absences reach 20% in the total class hours, the student will automatically be dropped. Another part of grading is the portfolio. This is the collection of all students' work, such as activities, projects, and documentation. This shows the effort and participation of the student throughout the semester. There are also rules that student must follow. First is proper conduct. Student must respect teachers and classmates and community member. Bad behavior like bullying, drinking alcohol, smoking, and using illegal drugs is strictly prohibited. Students must also wear proper uniform and school ID during activities. This shows discipline and professionalism. Safety is also very important. Students must stay in their group and follow all safety instructions. Any accident should be reported immediately. For all campus activities, students need permission from their parents and proper coordination with the community. This ensures that all activities are safe and organized. Another role is about using the school name and logo. Students cannot use them without permission. This is to protect the image and reputation of the school. If any student violates the rules, there will be consequences. This may include warnings, suspensions, or even failure in the project. This reminds students to be responsible for their action. Overall, my understanding of CWT 2 is that it is a program that helps students grow not just academically, but also socially and personally. It teaches us how to work with others, how to help with community, and how to become better citizens. CWTs is important because it gives us a chance to apply our knowledge in real life situations. It also helps us realize our role in society. As students, we are not only learning for ourselves but also preparing to help others and contribute to our country. CWT is a meaningful subject that teaches responsibility, discipline, teamwork, and service. It helps us shape into individuals who are ready to face real-world challenges and make a positive impact in our community. Thank you, sir, and that's all.